What's up?
What's going on, guys? We got a game here. My aunt gave me this game. It's called
Snack Hat.
Snack Hat. It's pretty much, you gotta put stuff on the hat and we'll try to eat it. So whoever loses has to take a shot. Yeah, that's kind of how you look. Yeah, so we got some what is this, wings? Wings, fruit. So we can put it on the
Pieces of pizza. So there's 3 games, right? So the first one is all you can eat. So you set them up, and then you have 30 seconds to eat as much as you can. After those 30 seconds, it's the person to your left. And the first person is always the youngest one. The second one is blindfolded. And blindfolded, you have 60 seconds to eat as much as you can. And then it goes to the left. And then the last one is like it or not, where you set up with whatever it is, and the person, whether they like it or not, has to eat it.
30 seconds to eat as much as you can.
Yeah.
So pretty much whoever eats the less amount of 30 seconds has to take a shot.
Yes.
Alright, let's do that. So on the first one, I don't want to put those fruits because I don't like fruits.
Well, then we're playing like it or not. So, thanks for volunteering.
I said that. We gotta put different. You can't just put all fruit. We got
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna put, role players.
It says here on the rules that the food items can be anything you want as long as it's edible.
This is gonna be interesting.
Does this sit upside down?
Oh yeah.
So you could put it.
Oh my god. The smart one of the group.
Of course, the female, right? Dude, that's a huge piece.
Bro, your hands are full of chicken.
Chicken fruit.
Chicken fried.
Give me a mushroom.
Put winter's food on it. It's edible.
It's too hard.
Put it in water.
Without further ado.
This goes on my chin.
Put it on your head first.
I'm gonna get greasy.
Alright.
Okay, guys.
Put it on my neck.
So, to start, you have to give it 1 spin.
I don't want to move.
Who has a timer? I have a timer. Alright, cool.
I'm gonna get pimples.
Ready?
Okay, guys. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like.
Comment.
Comment
Subscribe
whoever
if
you
you haven't
guys.
already.
Comment whoever you guys think is gonna win.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Ready?
Where did I spin right here?
Just go wherever.
Oh, right here.
How do you spin?
Just give it one
Ready?
spin.
Okay, start it. Is it starting?
30
Yeah.
seconds.
Go.
Oh, it's getting all over your shirt.
Don't let Winter eat it.
Come on, man. There you go. That's 1. And time. Do you like swing the food off? You're just like, because there's nothing left, and I know you didn't eat everything.
There's 1 chicken.
You ate what? How many did you honestly eat?
3.
Alright, go next since,
Alright, what's that?
Such a mess.
You got 3.
You got 3 out of
6.
6. You wanna help me?
Wait.
Wait, yeah, you can extend it. Yeah.
Can you?
You can.
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
No.
What the fuck?
That's breaking it.
Okay, here. Look
Okay.
straight, because it's gonna. Dude, you just pulled it.
Ow. Oh, it's so wet.
I know, it feels good in that time.
Okay.
Alright,
Alright, who's...
here, I'll do the time. Sorry, I have to meet this up. Alright. On your mark. Get set. Go. Four's the beat. Four's the one to beat.
Cover your whole head.
Hurts your forehead, huh?
Yes, this is
Fucking
right.
5 head over here.
Who's got the timer? You
I
got
got the timer. On your marks. Get set. Go.
What was that? That was 3? 2? Well, looks like you're taking a shot.
Rollers.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it
wait on
was
rollers too. No, it wasn't.
Yeah, they were missing.
Yeah,
because you
jalapeno.
fucking swung it.
Yeah, you dropped the jalapeno. Yeah, he just drooled.
Well, Rollers doesn't know that.
Oh, I felt that one in my ear.
Yes. Alright, I'll do the time.
Score to beat is not gonna tell you because you gotta beat it.
Okay.
Alright, so remember, stop!
No.
You gotta spin it. And then you, on your marks, set, go. Time.
Wait, 30 seconds?
Yeah.
What? You got
Wait,
2?
I'm out.
You got 2.
Oh, now you guys gotta.
No,
do
you
it.
licked that. Now you gotta eat it. It's 2.
Now they gotta do it again blindfolded to see who takes a shot.
What?
Yeah. Yes.
You only have 30 seconds for that?
Yeah,
Yep.
for the all-you-can-eat one, yes. The blindfold one is 60 seconds. But since it's a tiebreaker, I think we should do 45
Wait, so me and Danielle got 2 each?
Yeah. And she fucking swung the jalapeno to the floor.
So who's first?
I think you should rock paper. Okay. I choose red. Hey Siri, play some royalty-free music.
Here's the album, Royalty Free Music Library by Chen Redfield.
That's not juggling, you're only using 2.
Alright, let's do this. Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I gotta put the.
So it's 60 seconds now, right?
I think we should keep it at 30.
Alright, she said 30.
This is hard. How am I gonna know where the fruit is?
Exactly. Exactly why we said 45 seconds. But the queen wants 30, so she will have 30. Alright, ready?
Alright. Now that it's on, you gotta give it a spin and then I'll start it. Ready, set, go. You fucking cheater!
Ah,
It doesn't count. You swung it. Keep going. Your time is up. I mean, not up, but it's going.
What?
You're at 20 seconds now.
What happened? Are you the same one?
That's 1.
You're like, do you have back problems?
I know. What's that? What's
39, 30.
Oh,
She had 1.
That's hard, dude. I can't see what I'm doing.
exactly. Yeah, I put them tangles up right here. How much was that?
1.
What? Go ahead, blindfold your boyfriend.
For the record, he's not.
Ready?
You gotta spin it.
How many is that?
That's the one so far. It's the same one. Eat it. Eat that one. 20 seconds.
He's chicken with
29, 30.
Hey, look who has to take the shot. Shot.
How the fuck do I take this off?
It's like a. How did you tie it
Double
like that?
tight it.
Hey Siri, play some royalty-free music.
Where's the
Okay.
So we don't get
Here's
copy
the
strikes.
album, Royalty-Free Music Library by Chen Redfield.
Whoa! That's a full shot. Alright, babe, come on. You gotta take this shot. So,
She's never looked at anything like that with
so
that
this
face.
is a shot of peach pecan whiskey, courtesy of my dad. He showed me this whiskey, and it's freaking delicious. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, make sure you like the
Slap that like button.
Slap it,
Comment,
smash it.
subscribe.
and see you guys in the next video. Salud!
All of it.
All of it.
What are you doing? You gotta, you know, don't taste it, just swallow. No.
Look at this. Look at this. See you guys next time.
Siri, stop. Siri, stop.
Hey Siri.
Siri, stop.
Hey Siri, stop.